All right, guys, I'm doing a review of this House Foods Shirataki Konjac noodles. These are great. They're really crunchy and they're made of konjac flour and they're super high in fiber. Check that out. And ingredients. So we're going to open it up and do a quick taste test. Stay tuned, guys. All right, so here's the konjac noodles. So I'll do a quick taste test for you. You can see the springy type of texture it comes with, so. And there it is. Yeah, it's good. It's quite good. Nice little sort of crunchy texture. Everybody check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.